This is Bridget from Speech Therapy Talk membership, and this video I'm going to go through some cues, some visual cues that you can use for S blends. So if you have a child who has cluster reduction or they're having trouble with the S blends, try some of these. The first one we're going to go through is ST. So how to do the ST cue is first we need to teach what each hand motion means. So for the T, I have the children tap their fingers together, and why this works is our tongue is tapping the alveolar ridge on the top of our mouth, and then kind of the fingers tapping mimic that. So first we learn the t, and then we might try it in words like tap or tick. Then we learn what the S is. So for S, for this hand motion, are the fingers coming together. And why this works is as the fingers come together, it's mimicking the fricative, the airflow of the S. And then we put it together. So what it really looks like, if you put it all together, would be stop. Usually that's a little bit hard, and I usually back chain. So I start with top. So we practice there, top, and then we add the S. Stop. Okay, the next one that I use is the SM blends. So first we teach what M is, and that's our fingers together right next to our mouth, which mimics our lips coming together. So we say and then I may add a word into it, like practice mall. And then we learn what the S is, and the S for this one is our fingers coming together. Again, the movement mimics the S sound, the fricative. And then we put it together. Mall, small. Another one, another blend with the bilabials is P. So first we use our fist popping as the P sound. So we say pa, pa, which mimics the lips together tight, and then they explode. And then we may put it in a word like pot, pot. And then we add the S. So for the S is the same as the SM. The S comes together, our fingers move into a ball, and then when we get into the ball, we explode it. So it might look like this. Pot, spot. And kids really respond well to that. The last one that I'm going to go over today is the L. So I use a hand motion. So I have my hand straight like this, and I lift up my hand for the L. So our hand up is the L. And then for the S is our hand moving into the L position. So we might start with lot, we might start with lot, and then we put in the S. Slot. And that one works great too. Please try it out. Let me know what you think. If you have any questions, type them in the comments below. There'll be some helpful links in the comments as well for you, or in the description of the video. And if you like this, please, if you would be so kind to like the video, make a comment, subscribe, whatever works for you. Thanks. Bye.